Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Telno and today is the week 9. It's my second last week and day 46 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. And today I'm going to do legs workout. Firstly, I'm going to do legs home workout for people who cannot go to gym. They can do these simple leg exercises at home. There is no equipment required for these exercises. You can do these exercises at home or in park or even also in gym. I'm going to do 2 sets with each exercise with 15 to 20 reps. As you guys know, this is my push-pull workout week and today is the last workout, that is legs. Pendulum lunges. This move targets your quads, hamstring, glutes and calves as well as your core to maintain balance. And the next exercise is goblet squat. I'm going to do 2 sets with 15 to 20 reps. Your legs are made up of many muscle groups. It's important to include exercise that target them all. And the next exercise is sumo squat. I'm going to do 2 sets with 15 reps. This move is great for your inner thighs. Your hip, knee and ankle joints and connective tissues will also be targeted. Let's move on to the Cossack. I'm going to do 2 sets with 20 reps. Cossack squats target the quads, ham, glutes and hip adductors while also working your core. And the next exercise is step ups. I'm going to do 2 sets with 15 reps with each leg. This is a good general lower body conditioning exercise that works muscle in the legs and buttocks. Moving on to the next exercise, that is single leg RDL. I'm going to do 2 sets with 15 reps. The Romanian deadlift is an effective exercise that helps strengthen both the core and lower body with single move. And the last exercise is standing calf raises with single leg. I'm going to do 2 sets with 15 reps. It is great exercise for your calf muscle. I just completed legs home workout. Now let's start the legs main workout. And the first exercise is adductor. I'm going to do 3 sets with 20 reps. Hip exercises for building adductor strength and preventing injury. Hip adductors are the muscle in your inner thigh that support balance and alignment. These stabilizing muscles are used to adduct the hips and thigh or move them toward the midline of your body. And the second exercise is abductor. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. The hip abductors are important and often forgotten muscle that contribute to our ability to stand, walk and rotate our legs with ease. Not only can hip abduction exercise help you get a tight and toned backside, they can also help to prevent and treat pain in the hips and knees. And moving on to the third exercise, that is leg curl. I'm going to do 3 sets with 20 reps. Leg curls strengthen and improve flexibility of your hamstring. The exercise also target calves, gastrocnemius and soleus. Having strong, flexible hamstring is an important factor in your overall strength, balance and stamina. To properly execute a leg curl, always start with lighter weight. You don't want to force your body to overcompensate by lifting the hips and flexing your lower back. Moving on to the next exercise, that is hammer strength. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. The machine copies the natural movement of our body while strengthening it through the combination of one-sided movement and the meeting and swearing arcs to build up our physical strength. It also helps in strengthening both sides of the body. And the next exercise is leg extension. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. Performing any exercise comes with series of risks such as a muscle pain and cramps. So please do proper warm up your body with low impact exercises like high knees, jumping jacks or cycling. Leg extension helps toning the front thigh muscle, but if practiced with correct form, then it also strengthens the tissue and ligaments connected to the thigh and knees, which reduces the chance of workout injuries. Moving on to the next exercise, that is hip thrust. I am going to do 3 sets with 12 reps. Try moving without any weight at first and make sure that you are feeling the exercise mainly in your glutes rather than your thighs or lower back. To improve performance and prevent injury, it is important that you tone, strengthen and stretch all your hip muscles, including your hip adductors. The hip adductors are closely related to the core muscle and are crucial for balance. And the next 2 sets with single leg RDL, I am going to do it with 20 reps with body weight. The single leg Romanian deadlift can be a great tool to help improve stability as well as overall body control. The single leg RDL is a hip dominant exercise that can strengthen your glutes and hamstring. Because you are balancing on one leg at a time, the emphasis of this exercise is on stability. Moving on to the next exercise, that is Smith squats. I am going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. If there is one exercise that has ability to challenge most of the muscle in your body, then it's squats. The Smith allow you to protect your shoulder, legs, knees and back from injury. You are also able to more efficiently engage your glutes and hamstring. Another bonus, the shoulder press and the chest isolation are easier. Moving on to the next exercise, that is front squats. I am going to do 2 sets with 20 reps. It helps you gain strength in your quads, glutes and hamstring, which in turn helps with attributes like speed and power. Front squats can be easier on the lower back because the position of the weight does not compress the spine like it would be in back squat. Moving on to the next exercise, that is goblet squats. I am going to do 3 sets with 12 reps. The goblet squat work all the major muscle group of the lower body, including the quadriceps, glutes, hamstring and calves. It also helps strengthen the shoulder, biceps, forearm and abdominal muscles. Quality full range goblet squats can increase whole body strength and build muscles. And the next exercise is sumo squats. I am going to do 2 sets with 15 reps. Stand your feet wider than hip width apart. Give yourself a few feet and stand wide without overextending. This movement pattern strengthens the quadriceps, glute muscles, hamstring and calves with an extra focus on inner thighs and abductors. Moving on to the next exercise, that is leg press. I am going to do 2 sets with 15 reps. Leg press is a compound exercise for lower body development and mainly target your thigh muscle. Leg press puts less stress on the knees than the squat. Leg press can be highly effective exercise for building muscle and strength in your quads, ham and calf. Also, it can help to lose weight. Moving on to the second last exercise, that is standing Smith calf raises. I am going to do 2 sets with 20 reps. These are very different moves with the same goal is to pack on muscle. However, each has their own unique function regarding where exactly the stress is focused. And the last exercise is leg press calf raises. I am going to do 2 sets with 20 reps. The leg press calf raises mainly works the soleus muscle. Soleus makes up a big portion of the calf area, and if developed properly, it adds to the overall size and shape. Moving on to the stretching for 10 minutes at least. If this information was helpful, give me thumbs up. That's all for the day. See you all tomorrow. It's Filmy Fitness by Aman Tillo, powered by Purely Picture. Stay tuned, stay safe and stay fit.